The mark of a great invention is that it's never really finished. Great inventions constantly evolve to create new values and inspire new streams of creativity along their way. We knew from the start that mobile broadband would transform the internet as fundamentally as the mobile phone had once transformed telecommunications. It just took a while. Today, 20 years after coining the term and filing the first patents, we're finally there. Mobile broadband has come to a point where it's not just about optimizing technologies and services anymore. It's about exploring a whole new way of doing business, rethinking how we innovate, operate, engage, and make money. In short, how we unplug. So what does it take to unplug? The cornerstone is still a smart, scalable, and superior network, along with systems, processes, and services tailored to bring out the best of it. But it also takes a shift of mindset, a collaborative approach to innovation that uses the power of ecosystems to open new doors. Finally, it takes the courage to go first. Because mobile broadband is a game where first movers get rewarded. Ericsson knows this. We did it 15 years ago, and now we're doing it again.
Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.